Hi students, welcome back to IQ Maths. Today we are discussing the 9th chapter of CBSE Standard 10, that is some applications of trigonometry. Now we will discuss the third question of exercise 9.1, that is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? Consider the rough figures ABC and PQR. This is the slide for the elder children and this is the slide for the younger children. So the height for the elder children, that is 3 meter, for the younger children, that is 1.5 meter. The angle of inclination of the slide for the elder children is 60 degree, for the younger children is 30 degree. Let us take X is the length of the slide for the elder children and Y for the younger children. So we have to find the length AC and PR, that means X and Y. When we take triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle 60 degree is given, the length of opposite side is given. We have to find the length of hypotenuse. That means the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse, that we know, that is sine 60. Sine 60 degree is equal to AB by AC. We know the value of sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. That means root 3 by 2 equal to AB is 3, AC is X, that we have to find out. When we cross multiply, X is equal to 6, 3 into 2, 6 by root 3. That means when we rationalize 6 root 3 by 3 is equal to 2 root 3 meter. In triangle PQR, Q is right angle and this angle is 30 degree and opposite side is 1.5 meter. We have to find the length of PR, that is Y. We have to find the value of Y. In triangle PQR, the relation between QR and PR, that means opposite side and hypotenuse, that we can take sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is equal to QR by PR. We know the value of sine 30 degree, that is 1 by 2, is equal to QR is 1.5, PR is Y, that we have to find out. When we multiply, Y is equal to 1.5 into 2, that is 3 meter. So the length of slide for the elder children, that will be 2 root 3 meter, and for the younger children that will be 3 meter.